Okay, so welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Ito na yung lesson 37. Then ito na yung case 4 ng partial fraction. So ito naman, when the denominator contains a repeated quadratic factor. So kung naalala mo, si case 3 is meron lang quadratic factor na hindi factorable. Okay, ito naman, what if meron kang quadratic factor na hindi factorable tapos repeated. So kunwari, x squared plus 5 raised to 2. So repeated yun. So ano naman yung method na gagawin natin dito. So again, similar pa rin kay case 3, meron kang bx plus c. So, para lang siyang pinagsamang case 2 and case 3. So, pag meron kang linear, meron quadratic factor, meron kang bx, meron kang constant x plus constant, okay, or coefficient x plus constant over yung linear, then plus another coefficient plus variable plus constant over yung quadratic raised sa something. So, kung ilan yung n. Okay, so I think mas maintindihan mo siya pag ginawa natin by example. So again, hindi ko na masulat by symbol or by notation. Ano ba yun? Kasi in general So start tayo dito. So check natin. We have x squared plus 1 raised to 2. So quadratic siya na repeated kasi naka-square. Okay, pero hindi natin alam kung ito ay not factorable. So check natin kung hindi siya factorable. So note that yung b dyan is 0. So 0 square using yung quadratic discriminant. So this is 0 square minus 4 times 1 yung a, then times c a. So this is just negative 4 which is less than 0. Okay, so therefore hindi factorable si x squared plus 1 raised to 2. Okay, so proceed tayo sa ating solution. So another thing, check natin kung mas mataas yung degree, x cubed plus x to the 4th kasi x squared raised to 2 is x to the 4th. Okay, so mas mataas yung degree ng denominator sa numerator. So therefore, applicable yung cases ng partial fraction natin. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa solution. So in this case, we have x cubed minus x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 raised to 2. Equal siya sa una, syempre dahil quadratic factor sa automatic, we have ax plus b over x squared plus 1. Next, this is plus cx plus d. Ito na yung pag-repeated. Then, another x squared plus 1 raised sa 2. Ganun lang yung mangyari pag-repeated. Okay, so, kunwari may plus 3 raised sa 3 yan. Another plus ex plus f over x squared plus 1 raised sa 3. Ganun yung gagawin. Pag-repeated lang siya. Okay, next is assuming na minultiply natin ulit siya sa kanyang LCD na x squared plus 1 raised to 2. So, this will reduce into x cubed minus x plus 1 is equal to, syempre, this is ax plus b times meron pang isang x squared plus 1. Then plus, mawawala na lang yan. This is just cx plus d. So again, sabi ko nga, coefficient method na lang applicable dito. So simplify natin further to. So this is x cubed minus x plus 1 is equal to ax times x squared is ax cubed. Tama? Then ax times 1 is ax. So this is plus ax. b times x squared is plus bx squared. b times 1 is just b. Okay, then plus cx plus d. So, check kung may mali sa solution na, sir. Kasi sa multiplication talaga ako usually nagkakamali. Next is by coefficient method. Green ko na lang. Siyempre, dahil may x cube, sabi mo na sa x cube. So, by coefficient method, coefficient na x cube sa left side is 1. Sa right side is just a. Yun lang kasi may x cube eh. Next, coefficient na x squared. Wala dito. Dito meron. So, kailangan mo pa rin kunin yun. Coefficient na x squared, 0 sa kabila kasi wala dito. Then dito, b. Okay, coefficient ng x natin. Dito is negative 1. Dito sa kabila is a, saka c. This is a plus c. Okay, coefficient ng constant. Dito is 1. Sa left side is 1. Dito is b plus d. So, we have b plus d. So, check mo kung meron tayong mga factor na may mga sagot tayo automatic. So, yes, may mga sagot tayo automatic. Ano unang sagot natin automatic? A is 1, B is 0. So, mga sure nating sagot, A is 1, B is 0. So, note that A plus C, solvable na natin si C. So, we have a plus c is equal to negative 1. So since a is 1, so negative 1. So therefore c is equal to negative 2. Okay. Next, since b is 0, so dun tayo sa b plus d is equal to 1. Since b is 0, this is b 0 plus d is equal to 1, or d is equal to just 1. Okay, so ang bilis-bilis na hanap natin agad yung value niya. So therefore, input, salpak na natin yung value na a, b, c, d dito. So therefore, the result equation is 1x. So that is x na lang, b is 0. So mawawala yun, over x squared plus 1. Plus, c is 2, negative 2. Negative 2x plus 1 yung d, all over x squared plus 1. Then lagay ko na ito ng parenthesis. So therefore, ayan yung kanyang sagot. So actually, kahit wala nga parenthesis kasi basta okay lang naman yan. Okay, so therefore, ayan yung kanyang sa partial fraction nito. Okay, so ganun siya kadali. Next is number 2. Resolve x squared plus 3x plus 1 all over x plus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1 raised to 2 into a partial fraction. So again, may quadratic siya. Tapos naka-raise sa 2. So, repeated quadratic siya. So, obviously, alam natin ito ay not factorable kasi nasolve na natin siya from previous video. So, another thing, x squared raised to 2 is x to the 4 times x is x to the 5th. So, x squared over x to the 5th. So, yung degree ng denominator is greater than the degree of numerator. So, possible dito si case number 4. Okay, so, una, proceed na tayo sa ating solution. So, rewrite ko lang yan. That is x squared, that is x squared plus 3x plus 1. So, hoping na hindi ako magkamali. Then, this is x plus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. Then, raise to 2, Then, lagay natin, this is since linear sa x plus 1, this is a over x plus 1. So, since linear siya, since quadratic to sa x squared plus x plus 1, this is bx plus c all over x squared plus x plus 1. Then plus dx plus e over x squared plus x plus 1 square. So, obviously, ito yung denominator. So, assume na minultiply natin siya ulit dito. So, that is simply x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, mawala sa x plus 1. So, this is just a times x squared plus x plus 1 raised to 2. So, medyo mahaba. Then, plus, ito medyo mahaba din. This is bx plus c, mamumultiply pa kay x plus 1, mamumultiply pa sa isang x squared plus x plus 1. Then lastly, si dx plus e, multiply lang kay x plus 1. Si dx plus e, i-multiply lang natin kay x plus 1. Okay, next is, syempre, expand, or multiply. Okay, so this is just x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals sa, so gamit tayo na scratch para mapadali yung ating solution. So unahin ko to, so you have x squared plus x plus 1, then x squared, ay yun naka-square, so x squared plus x plus 1 square. So this is x to the 4th plus x squared plus 1, then 2x cubed. Okay, then plus 2x squared, then plus 2x. So, ginamit ko lang yung rule natin na pag-multiply ng tatlo na a plus b plus c raised to 2. That is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. Okay, so, ayun yung lumabas sa sagot. So, multiply ko na to sa a para mabilis. That is ax to the 4th. This is ax to the 4th plus plus 2ax cubed plus x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared, so that is plus 3ax squared then plus 2ax, then plus a. Kasi may 1 doon. Long term 1, 2, 2. Tama. Okay, next is ito naman. Multiply natin yan. So, again, multiply muna natin si x plus 1 saka x squared plus x plus 1. Laki na. So, that is x squared plus x plus 1, then x plus 1. Okay, so this is x cubed plus x squared plus x squared plus x plus 1. So this is x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so yun yung result. Next, i-multiply natin siya sa bx plus c. So this is bx plus c. So this is bx to the fourth plus 2bx cubed plus 2bx squared plus bx. Next, plus c cubed plus cx cubed plus 2cx squared plus 2cx plus c. Okay, so lagay ko na yung result dito. So this is just equal sa plus bx to the fourth plus factor ko na to, this is 2b plus c, tapos x cube plus 2b plus 2c x squared plus b plus 2c x, then plus c. So dito pa lang yan. Next is si dx plus e plus times x plus 1. So dx, so doon na lang, pwede na yan, kaya na yan. So dx plus e plus x plus times x plus 1 is plus dx squared plus dx plus ex plus e. Okay, so before yan, check ko muna yung multiplication before ako mag-proceed. Okay, so chinek ko naman yung multiplication, okay naman siya. So proceed na tayo by coefficient method. So napaka haba, may x to the fourth, may x cube, wala naman dito. So solve pa rin natin yun. So coefficient na x to the fourth, so 0 dito sa left side. So dito sa right side is a, tapos b. So this is a plus b. So coefficient na x cube naman, so 0 pa rin sa left. So meron dito 2a. So napansin mo may 2a dito. So another x cube dito, so 2b plus c. So plus 2b plus c. Next, sa x squared naman, coefficient meron na dito, equal to sa coefficient ng x squared natin is 3a, meron dito. May 3a, 2b plus c, no, plus 2b plus 2c plus d. Okay, then lastly, may x pa. So x naman is, coefficient ng x is 3. So sa left side is 2ax. So this is 2a. Dito is b plus 2c. So plus b plus 2c. Then dito is d plus e. So this is plus d plus e. So napakahaba. Next, for constant, so we have 1 is equal to a dito, a, c, plus e. So this is a plus c plus e. Okay, so we are now ready to solve. Okay, so we need to find a, b, c, d, e, f, a, b, c, d, and e. So una gagawin natin, solve ko muna yung mga equation para may exam natin. So ito yung mga gandang technique na gagawin dito. So we start with a plus b is equal to 0. Then kunin natin yung value ng a or b. Then substitute natin sa second equation, then third equation. So rewrite ko muna lahat para mas mapadali. Okay, so we have a plus b. So we have a plus b is equal to 0. So this is equation 1. Tama. So, from equation 1, we have A is equal to negative B. Okay, now, write natin sa equation 2. So, we have 2A plus 2B plus C is equal to 0. Note that this is equation number 2. Okay, so substitute natin ng value na A, which is negative B. So, this is just 2 times negative B plus 2B plus C is equal to 0. Okay, note that 2 times negative B is negative 2B. Okay, this is negative 2B plus 2B plus C is equal to 0, which means that C is equal to 0. So, may na-obtain na tayo na value ng C. Okay, so now, for equation number 3, proceed tayo sa equation number 3. That is 3A. So, that is 3A plus 2B. No, so 3A plus 2B plus 2C plus D is equal to 1. So, substitute pa rin natin yung A na is equal to negative B, tas yung C na 0. Okay, so rewrite ko lang ulit. That is equation number 3. So, dito na lang. Equation number 3 is 3A plus 2B. Okay, then plus 2C plus D is equal to 1. Okay, so substitute natin yung A. So, that is negative B. So, magiging negative 3B lang to. So, this is negative 3B plus 2B. Okay. Then, plus 2 times 0 plus D is equal to 1. So, next, that this is negative B. Tama. So, this is negative B. I guess. So, this is negative B plus D is equal to 1. So, wala tayo masasolve dyan. Okay, next is, so, lagay ko lang equation number 3 to. Next is equation number 4. Anong gagawin sa equation number 4? Substitute lang natin ulit yung value na yon. So, for equation number 4, check natin kung nakuha ang value. So, we have 2A. So, we have 2A plus B plus 2C plus D plus E is equal to 3. Note that 2A, this is negative 2B. Okay, then plus B plus 2 times 0, then plus D plus E is equal to 3. So, I think solve ko na rin yung D dito para mas mapadali tayo. Ang kakalabasan dito is D is equal to B plus 1 para may substitute tayong dagdag. So, this is negative B. Okay, then plus 0. Then yung D is B plus 1. So, this is plus B plus 1 plus E is equal to 3. So, note that cancel yung B. Ang matitira na is D plus E. Sorry. So, maka-cancel yung B. Yung 0 mo, 0, hindi yan D. So, matitira E na lang. So, 1 plus E is equal to 3. So, transpose ko yung 1. So, that is E is just equal sa 3 minus 1, which means that E is equal to 2. So, may nakuha ulit tayo panibagong value. Okay. So, next is, kunin natin yung value ng, ito equation 4. Sorry. Equation number 4. Equation number 5. AC plus E. A plus C plus E. So, A plus C plus E is equal to 1. Note that A is negative B, then C is 0, then E is 2 is equal to 1. So, this is equation number 5. So, check natin ang lalabas na value. Note that negative B is equal to 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Therefore, B is positive 1. Okay, so may value na tayo ng B, C, E. So, kaya na ba natin hanapin yung value ng D? I think yes, kasi meron tayo dito D. Okay, may value tayo ng B na 1. So, D can be solved using this. So, D is just equal sa B plus 1 or just D is equal to 2. Okay. So, meron tayong B, C, D, E. So, lastly, nilagay natin A is equal to negative B. Therefore, since B is equal to 1, therefore A is equal to negative 1. Okay, so nahanap na natin yung mga value. So, meaning, ang kanyang transform form o yung kanyang decomposition na decomposed na partial fraction is A over X plus 1, which is 1, or negative 1, sorry. So, this is negative 1 over X plus 1. Okay, then plus Bx plus C. So, note that C is 0. So, mawawala lang yung Bx plus C na yun. So, mawawala lang yung plus C. So, B na lang is 1. So, that is X lang. That is X. That is X over X squared plus X plus 1. Then, plus we have E na 2. That's D na 2. So, sabi, that is dx plus E. So, we have 2x plus 2. So, we have 2x plus 2 over x squared plus x plus 1 raised to 2. Okay, so therefore, ayun yung kanyang sagot. So, therefore, ito yung kanyang decomposed partial fraction. Okay, so, sana naintindihan mo yung gagawin natin pag medyo madami na. So, ang gawin mo, mag-start ka sa unang equation. Okay, then, i-substitute mo lang. Yan lang. Gawin sa i-substitute mo lang pa ganun or pwedeng pabalik. Kasi pag pabalik, medyo mahirap tatlo. So, usually kasi pag yung higher degree, minsan dalawa lang siya. Or kung may nahanap ka man ditong pwedeng i-substitute agad natin right away. Ganun yung gagawin pag mga gantong cases na. Okay, so hoping na naintindihan mo si partial fraction. So, hoping na nag-enjoy ka. Then, hoping na panoorin pa yung last video about dito, yung theory of equation, hindi na yung last video about college algebra. So, medyo marami din yun, pero at least natapos ko yung book ng college algebra. So, thank you for watching.